Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and I'm just going to pour over this painting that I don't like. And you can do that, as I said, if you have a painting that you're not entirely happy with, you can paint over it at least once. I mean, you can paint over that at least once. Twice you're pushing your luck. If I pour over this now and I don't like it, I will have to scrape it to be able to use it again. If it dries twice on here, I wouldn't try a third time. Before we start, I just want to show you some dried results. We have this chain pull, which is now dry. I've put a coat of varnish on it. Really pretty, very pretty colors on it. And then the other one was this one, which I also put a coat of varnish on, and very pretty colors in it. And those two will be put in my Etsy shop today. Then I have just put a coat of varnish on this one, so this one is still wet with the varnish, but it'll be dry tomorrow, so it will go into my Etsy shop today also. Just put that out the way. Oh goodness. All right, okay, let's get started. So I've mixed up my paints, and I'm just going to put a base down of this light green that I've just mixed up. Now, for the Dutch pour, remember your paints need to be thin. So I've just watered the paints down with some water, so they're all pretty thin. Okay, there we go. And I'm just, where's my bucket? I'm just going to blow that out with my little mini blower just to cover the canvas. Can you see? Right, let's cover this. Now I'm going to put my colors. So I've got three colors. I've got Deca 24 karat gold, and I've got a dark metallic purple, and I've got neon yellow. And the neon yellow has some silicone in. Only this one. 2 drops of silicone in the yellow, no silicone in the other colors. And I'm going to layer it like that. Right, and then some more of that over the top. And a little bit more of that. And a little bit more of that. Okay, that should be fine. I might as well just put the rest of that in. Okay, let's blow that out. like it. Very, very pretty patterns, very pretty colors. It's very bright. It's got a lot of gold throughout, so when this dries, well, and the metallic, the purple is also metallic, so the gold and the purple, the whole painting is going to be very, very shiny when it's dry. So that's going to be very pretty. Let me bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Look at that. Very pretty. Let me bring you in. Very, very, very cool. Lots of cells everywhere from the little bit of silicone we put in the yellow. And again, 2 drops. 2 drops of silicone. That's all I put in. And look what it has created. Look at that. So you really don't use a lot of the silicone. So that little bit of the little bottle that you buy of the silicone off Amazon is a small bottle, and you would think, oh, this isn't going to last. It does. I mean, I've had my bottle for 1.5 years, and it's not even halfway. So you use very little, and it goes a long way. You can see the metallics there. Let me try. Look, there are lots of gold there. And of course, the purple, as I said, is also metallic. Look at that. Lots of shimmers everywhere throughout the whole painting. Very cool. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as we created this really, really, really cool painting. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, please remember, all paintings created in this channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop, and I also have a couple in my website. Yeah, but any support at all would really mean the world to me. The paintings are very, very, very well priced. I'm not selling the paintings to make any profit. I'm selling my paintings to cover the costs of running this channel. That's it. So the paintings are drastically reduced in price. I only sell originals. I do not sell prints, and they are all completely unique, one-of-a-kind paintings. You'll never get 2 paintings the same. So they're a great gift idea for somebody special or for yourself. If you've got a space on your wall and you would like a nice, bright, colorful, original painting, then yeah, please consider going into my Etsy shop and having a look. I would really appreciate any support at all. Right, that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Everyone, have a great rest of your Saturday. Bye.